Okay, welcome guys. The second video about prepositions. Teacher Herbert Mal from Old Kampala Ada School once again, and today let's look at prepositions of time. Today we look at prepositions of time, prepositions of time, and as I told you that prepositions of time are used with time like tomorrow, next week, or maybe 2020, 2021. Okay, so just use them with time. So these are some examples, the prepositions of time: on, at, in, after, before, during, till, until, for, since, by. Okay, and others. Just see, I'm giving you those few examples, So we can start with in. Okay, we start with in. Now, when do we use in? Now, we use in with, number one, we use in with the months of the year. Like January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So when you talk about those months, use in. Then also we use in when we talk about years. 2020, 2021, 2020, like that. 2006, 2001, 1991, use in. Then also we use in, number three, when we talk about morning, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, and in the night. Okay, we use in. Why can't we go and look at some examples that we have? Let's go and look at some examples that we have. I think here you can see months of the year. We are using in. I told you must use them with months of the year. Whenever you talk about the months of the year, use in. For example, now you can see number one is I will go to Sudan in July. Because we have a month which is July, so we must use in. So here we cannot use on, we cannot use at. You cannot say I will go at Sudan at July. No, the preposition must be in July. Look at the second example. The second example is it is very hot. It is very hot in December, because December is a month of the year, so we must use in. So all months of the year must use in. So lastly, we got a lot of money in January. We got a lot of money in January, because January is a month of the year, so we must use in. I think guys, you have understood that whenever you talk about months of the year, please use in. No at, no for, no. In. You can say I was born in July. I was born in May, like that. So we got years. I told you we use also in with the years. In. We use in with the years. For example, if you say I came in Uganda in 2019. I came in Uganda in 2019, because we have the year 2019, so it is why you must use in. It is why you must use in, because of the year 2019. So whenever you talk about any year, use in. Now look at number two. Number two is my grandfather died in 1990. Because we have a year 1990, so it's why we say in 1990. So I told you, whenever you use the year, use in. Look at number three. I will marry. Number three is that I will marry in 2023. Because we have the year 2023, that's why you say in. I will marry in 2023. If someone asks you, when will you marry? Say, I will marry in 2023. And then lastly, we have, she will buy a car in 2020. She will buy a car in 2020. Okay, so we have understood that if we use or we talk about years, then we must use in. Okay, then let's look at another example. Another example is when we use a morning, afternoon, evening, night, we must use in. Look at these examples. I ate breakfast in the morning, but not at the morning. Very many students say I ate breakfast at the morning. No, guys, it is not at the morning. We have seen that it is in the morning, but not at the morning. Look at the second example. I watched a TV in afternoon. I watched a TV in the afternoon. I watched a TV in the afternoon. So you can see that in the afternoon, not at the afternoon, but in the afternoon. Then number 3, you can say, can we meet in the evening? In the evening. Okay, in the evening. Can we meet in the evening? Yes, we can meet in the evening. No problem. We can meet in the evening. My husband came back in the night means very late at night. In the night. In the night. My husband came back in the night. So we have understood that anytime we use months of the year, we must use in. Anytime we use years, we must use in. And anytime we use morning, afternoon, evening, and night, we must use in. Thank you so much, guys. We meet again in another video where we shall be looking at on. Okay, we meet in another video where we shall be looking at on. Thank you.